Searing Success, master the art of searing fish. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to dive into the culinary world and learn about a phrase that's both delicious and interesting. Sear the fish. Stick with us, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand this phrase but also be able to use it confidently in a conversation. Let's start with the verb, sear. Searing is a cooking technique where the surface of the food, often meat or fish, is cooked at a high temperature until a browned crust forms. It's all about that intense heat to create a flavorful crust while keeping the inside moist. When we sear something, we're not cooking it all the way through. We're just giving it a flavorful edge. When someone says, sear the fish, they are referring to cooking the fish with the searing method. It's a simple phrase, but knowing it can show off your culinary vocabulary. It's often used in cooking shows, recipes, or when discussing cooking techniques. So next time you hear it, you'll know exactly what's happening in the pan. How can you use this phrase in English conversation? Let's say you're at a restaurant and want your fish cooked with a crispy crust. You could tell the waiter, "I'd like my salmon seared, please." Or if you're talking about a cooking experience, you might say, "I tried to sear the fish, but I think the pan wasn't hot enough." And that wraps up our tasty topic for today. We hope you now feel comfortable with the phrase, sear the fish, and can use it to spice up your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice your English every day. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.